Hey everybody out there, I don't know if a lot of you knew this or not, but day after Black Friday I was involved in a hit and run in the Best Buy parking lot. Somebody backed into me and busted my taillight. This is the OEM taillight. As you can see, it got cracked here and it was letting moisture in it. So I was going to go ahead and replace that myself, and I'm going to get this done once all this COVID stuff is over. So this is something I could do myself. I was looking around online, and these are actually the smoked taillights that are available on the Maxima, and they were sold out at Nissan, and I couldn't find one online. Everybody wanted used, and they were like the same price used as they are new. So I found this Eagle Eyes auto lamp brand, aftermarket, and that's what that is. So what I want to do is just give you a breakdown of the differences between the OEM taillight and this one, and let you make a comparison on your own. I don't think there's enough of a difference to really tell. This one was like half the price. So let's start with the basics, and then we'll let you make a decision on your own. Okay guys, on the aftermarket one here, you will notice it does not have, it says Eagle Eye. You can't really see it here, but on this one it says Stanley. It's raised letters. That's where this one, it's in the chrome on the bottom. Physically, there is no real difference. This little dot, I don't know what this little dot on the factory one is, but it's not here on this one. There's no real difference physically in them besides that. On the back, the one thing I did notice was these are all different colored. On the factory one, like this one's orange, that one's gray, that one's gray. They're different colored for each one. On the Eagle Eye one, these were all black. Everything mounted up exactly the same. This one even had bulbs in it. It did feel like the connector was a little bit thicker and maybe a little bit cheaper plastic feel, but the wiring, the grommet, everything was exactly the same. It was direct bolt on. It doesn't look any different than the OEM one. So once it gets dark, I'll shoot you all a little bit of footage of the LEDs lit up, etc. Hey everybody, I'm normally pretty good about getting finished videos, telling y'all I'll give you an update, but on this video there will be no update on how the brake light did in the long run, and I won't be sure how it looked at night, because I actually traded the car in right after I installed the brake light, like probably within like a week or two. That wasn't the game plan, but I found a car I couldn't pass up. It was a great deal. It was the car I wanted when I got the Maxima originally. So I'm sorry I can't follow that up, but the brake light did bolt up exactly like factory. It looked just like factory. There was no discernible, like no way to like tell them apart. If I had to do it again, I would do it all over. So I do recommend the Eagle Eye brake lights.